I hope you had a great day. I've been tracking PayPal for quite some time now, along with a viewer named Barat. We've been tracking this stock together, and I finally took the plunge and bought some shares today. The RSI is still oversold on the weekly time frame. I'll show you that in just a moment, but first to the numbers. It ended the day at $111.93. It is up nearly 1%. The 52-week low is $94. The 52-week high is $310. Volume lower than normal with 25 million shares traded. We typically see 27 million shares, and you need volume in order for a stock to really rip. The market cap, $130 billion. Taking a look at the performance for the week, it is up 8%. For the month, it is down 32%. And for the year, it is down 59%. Under the technicals, it's considered a sell. Under the analyst rating, it's considered a buy. Again, I've been tracking it since it was $258. It's been all over the map. It did go up and then it went down. It went sideways here. It went up, went down, went sideways down. And then here we are at $111. On tipranks.com, the average analyst forecast is $184. On Wall Street Zen, it's $238. If you were to buy this stock at $112 and it goes to $184, that is a return of 64%. If it gets to $238, that is a return of 112%. Of course, it could take forever to get there. It could take forever to get there, as I mentioned, or it may never get there, right? So that's something that you have to decide. Is this stock worth it? There's also a gap to be played on the daily. I'll show you that in just a moment. But now to the RSI. As you can see, it is going up. It hit 15 and it started to run. Taking a look at the MACD, it has not crossed over to the upside yet. We need this to cross over. We need this to go straight up to show us that there is a true sign of a reversal. Now, if you were to have purchased this stock at the COVID crash down here and you rode it and held tight, you would have made a 260% return on your money. Now, had you bought it up here and then you thought it was going to run, but it didn't, it tanked all the way to this level, that is a drop of 69%. I'm going to go ahead and delete this because my chart looks like a hot mess. And let me show you the daily time frame, because it's very important to check the different time frames because it gives you different buy and sell signals. We are at -2 standard deviations. This is -3, and this is -4 standard deviations. So we are right here. Hopefully, if the average analyst forecast is accurate on tipranks.com, and if we fill the gap, that means we fill it to the upside. And if it does, hopefully that gap will be filled at $140 all the way to $169, and then it will hit this level at $184. That's what I'm thinking anyway, that this gap fills to the upside, and 9 out of 10 gaps do fill. Taking a look at the RSI, it is going up. 40 and below is where I like to buy my stocks. Of course, if you buy it down here in this level, you're getting a better price. The MACD has not crossed over to the upside just yet. The last time the RSI was at 20, let's go way back, and that is this level right here. You could have picked up this stock at about $77 a share if we only had a crystal ball. And if you play patterns, here's a W that formed. I like to play U-shaped patterns myself and gap fills. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this on the 3-minute time frame. This is VWAP at $111.22. We are above VWAP, and to the north side of VWAP is $112.32. To the downside, it is $110, and the linear is at basically $109. And to the upside on the linear, that would be at $114. So there are a lot of levels to get through here. I use VWAP to help me enter a price. So when I know that VWAP is at 111, I tried to buy this stock at around 110 something and it never filled. My order never filled. So I got it at least at VWAP. And that is how I try to play that. And on the 3-minute time frame, the RSI is going down and the MACD looks like it is crossing to the downside as well. So that does not look good. Okay, I want to show you how the market ended the day here. If there is a stock that you would like me to check out, please comment below and take a look at my other stock picks. And I have lots of videos there for you to check out. Thank you so much for watching.